Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Green tea with honey is a powerful combination that offers a wide range of health benefits. Here's a detailed overview of the advantages. Boosts immunity. Green tea, rich in antioxidants like catechins and flavonoids, it helps strengthen the immune system and fight off infections. Honey contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, aiding in warding off colds and flu. Promotes weight loss. Green tea contains compounds like EGCG epigallocatechin gallate that enhance metabolism and fat oxidation. Honey acts as a natural sweetener with fewer calories than sugar, helping reduce sugar cravings. Improves digestive health. Green tea aids digestion by reducing inflammation in the digestive tract and promoting gut health. Honey soothes the stomach lining and can help prevent issues like acid reflux. Enhances skin health. Green tea, packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, it slows aging and improves skin elasticity. Honey, a natural humectant, it hydrates the skin and helps reduce acne due to its antibacterial properties. Reduces stress and enhances mental clarity. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Honey provides a quick source of energy and can stabilize blood sugar levels, supporting focus and mental clarity. Supports heart health. Green tea lowers LDL bad cholesterol and improves cardiovascular health. Honey contains antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and improve cholesterol levels. Promotes respiratory health. Green tea anti-inflammatory properties soothe the sore throat and reduce inflammation in the airways. Honey provides a natural remedy for coughs and helps clear mucus. Enhances oral health. Green tea fights bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and bad breath. Honey has mild antibacterial properties, supporting overall oral hygiene. Regulates blood sugar. Green tea improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Honey provides a natural energy boost without causing a spike in blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. Detoxifies the body. The combination of green tea and honey helps flush out toxins, supports liver health, and promotes overall detoxification. Preparation. Green tea with honey for maximum benefits. Boil water and allow it to cool slightly hot but not boiling, around 80–85 degrees Celsius or 175–185 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep green tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw, organic honey after the tea has cooled slightly to preserve its nutrients. Stir and enjoy. Thank you for watching video. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel.